throughout very interesting historical circumstances in 1946, especially until the Kielce pogrom in July 1946, it was the town, the thousands of Jews, repatriants from Soviet Union emigrated there. Germans were in the process of being thrown away. Poles just started coming because it was Lower Silesia. Before the war, it was German part of, it was Germany, and only after the war it became Poland. So you had a moment when on 13,000 inhabitants, 9,000 of them were Jewish. So you had a place suddenly in post-Holocaust Poland that 65% of its inhabitants were Jewish. And these people established all these political parties, hospitals, schools, etc., etc. But studying the subject, then I walk around my hometown and I understand that here beside the synagogue was a Jewish community, here was a party, here was a illegal mikveh, you know. I kind of... and then through it also I can much more be empathic on the German experience, yes? The same walls, what had a meaning had for Germans living there. And then also I start to be empathic about these first Polish repatriants who come, see these foreign, you know, German kind of walls, German streets, and how they try to give them their own private meaning. So in this sense, kind of through Jewish history, I much better understand the space around me. I'm much deeply engaged in the space in which I live. Simply, I much better understand my surrounding. And not only its Jewish kind of part, but also Polish, also German. Because, like, studying Jewish studies made me more empathic about all the other different groups. And on the example of my hometown, I can show it, but the same is in Warsaw, yes. And then when I was walking around the ghetto area, when I was with my father, yes, 12, 13, we just... And I didn't knew nothing, and now I walk, yes, and of course, it makes the experience of the space and of the country, of my country, Poland, much more deeper, better, I think.